Well, in this video, I'll show you what a Java program looks like. Here's what a Java program looks like in the NetBeans IDE. These lines here, highlight lines here, are called comments. Comments are human documentation to yourself and to other programmers. This line here imports the J option in class of the JavaX.Swing library. This program uses class trig, which then comes from the JavaX.Swing library. You're creating your own class. Notice this class just contains the main method. You can put other functions in the class too. This line prompts for and gets the value for the adjacent side of a triangle and stores it as a string variable. This here prompts for and reads in number for the opposite side of the triangle and stores it as a string variable. These lines here convert the string variables adjacent and opposite to x and y, which are double values. Here's the declaration for the resultant sine, cosine, tangent, and the square of x and y. This function here calculates the resultant side. This function here calculates the sine. This function here calculates the cosine. This function here calculates the tangent. This statement here builds the string to be displayed on the screen. This line here displays the string to the string. And it uses this show message dialog function of the JOPS and pane class. The line system.exit open parentheses 0 close parentheses closes out the program at the end. Now I'm going to show you how to compile and run a program. To compile a program, you click on Run and you click on Clean and Build Project. And you can see down here is compiling the project. And this line lets you know that it's successfully compiled. If it did compile, it'll show you the errors. To run the program, click on Run and Run Main Project. And that's basically what the program does. Now you also can run the program from a command line in Linux or in Windows. I'm going to show you how to do that. First do is open the terminal. Then open Windows Explorer or the or any file explorer you have and whatever operating system you have. And in Ubuntu Linux, the NetBeans project are stored in the folder Home, your username in NetBeans project. Here are a list of your projects in here. The SLC folder contains the Java file. The NB project file folder shows file contains the project parameters for the NetBeans project. The dist folder shows your readme.txt and your trig.jar. If you double click on that jar file, it'll usually come up as you usually run the program. If you click on the build file, click on the build file, build folder, and click on the classes file. You notice in the classes folder you got the file trig.class. And we'll see the change directories over to the folder in the terminal on Ubuntu. Now to run the file trig.class, you type in Java trig and I'll run the file. So, and that is basically how the what a Java file looks like and executes.